Now see here, multiplication of 5 digit number by a 3 digit number. 5 digit number we have to multiply with 3 digit number. How many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number with 3 digit number 1, 2, 3. Now here, multiplication of 4 digit number with a 3 digit number. 4 digit number with, it is not a 3 digit number, this is also a 4 digit number. So what it is? It is also a 4 digit number. 4 digit number by 4 digit number. See here how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number with 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now the first one. How to do when 5 digit number is given to multiply with 3 digit number? So first you take 5 digit number. 35,752 multiply with 352. 352. Then this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Now lakhs will come, now 10 lakhs will come, so on it will. Then crore will come, then crore. So like this. Okay. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crores, so on it will come. So, okay. Then first we start with 2. 2 with 2 unit place. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 10 means 10 0 tens and 1 hundreds. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. 15 5 hundreds and 1 in thousands. Carry over on thousands place. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 means 1 in 1000 and 1 more 1 in 10,000. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now we start multiplication with 5. So this is the product of what it shows, 35,752 with 2. Now here with 5. 5 is in tens place, that is 50. 50 means 1 0 we have to keep in ones place first. Now start multiplication with 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 means 0 in tens place and 1 in tens. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1 26. 6 is 100 and 2 in hundreds. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2 36. 37. 7 in 1000 and 3 in also in 1000. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3 26. 27 28. 28. 8 is in 10,000s place and 2 in 10,000s place. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 16. 17. That complete number we have to write. Now we have to start with 3. So then first of all what it is? This is the product of 35,752 with 5 is in tens place, so that is why it is 50. The product with 50. Now 3 is in 100 place, so we have to take 2 zeros in ones and in tens. Now we start multiplication with 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 15 5 here and 1 here. 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. 2 here and 2 here. 3 5s are 15. 16 17. 17 7 here and 1 here. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. Now it is a product of 35,752 with 300. Now add 4, all are 0, 0 only. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 5 17, 7 here and 1 here. 5 plus 7 12, 13 14, 4, 8 plus 2 10, plus 7 17, plus 1 18. 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 1 15, 1 plus 1 2, and this is 1. So then 1 crore 25 lakhs 84,704. So it is a product of 35,752 with 352. 352. Okay. Now see here, multiply 4792 by 3244. Here, how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits multiply by 4 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then first you have to take 4792 by 3244. Now place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Note down first. Now you start multiplication with 4. 4 twos are 8, 8 ones. 4 nines are 36, 6 tens and 3 hundreds. 4 sevens are 28, 29, 30, 31. 1 in 100 and 3 in 1000. 4 fours are 16, 17, 18, 19. Total 19. Then again we have to multiply with 4. This 4 is in hundreds place. First we have to take 1 0. Then you start multiplication. 4 twos are 8. 4 nines are 36 and 3 here. 4 sevens are 28, 29, 30, 31. So 1 and 3. 4 fours are 16, 17, 18, 19. Now we start with 2. 2 is in hundreds place. We have to take 2 zeros in ones and tens. Then after that multiply with 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 nines are 18 and 1. 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 15 and 1. 2 fours are 8 plus 1 9. Now multiply with 3. How many zeros we have to keep? 3 zeros. Why? Because it is in 1000. When we are going to multiply with thousands place, you have to keep 0 in ones place, tens place and hundreds place. In thousands we have 3 zeros in ones, tens, 100. Now you start with 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 nines are 27. 7 here and 2 here. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. 21, 22, 23. 3 here and 2 here. Next, 3 fours are 12, 13, 14. 14 like this. Okay. Now you add 8. 8 plus 6, 14, 4 and 1 here. 6 plus 4, 10, 11, 12. 2 here and 1 here. 9 plus 1, 10, 11, 19, 25. 5 and 2. 1 plus 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 2. So 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 3, 15, 5 and 1. 4 plus 1, 5 and this is 1. This is 1 crore 55 lakhs 45,248. What is this? This is the product of 4,792 with 4 with again 4,792 with 40. So this is the product of 4,792 with 200. So this is the product of 4,792 with 3,000. First with 4, with 40, with 200, with 3,000. The total 4,792. This is the product of 3,244. Okay. Listen now students, in exercise 2, find the product of the following numbers. So these are the following numbers. So in these following numbers we have to find the product. First we have to check how many digits we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits with 3-digit number. So we have to find the product of 5-digit number with 3-digit number. Here also we have to find the product of 5-digit number with a 3-digit number. So already we did in example. So in the same, so the method is same. First we have to write 5-digit number first. 42,108 multiply with 137. So this is our ones place, this is our tens place, this is our hundreds place, this is our thousands place, this is our 10,000s place. After that we will get lakhs, after that 10 lakh, okay, like this we will get. Now we start from 7, 7 8s are 56, 6 here and 5 here. 7 zeros are 0, 0 plus 5 tens. 7 ones are 7 is a single digit, then 7 hundreds. 7 twos are 14, 14 means 4,000, 1 10,000. 7 fours are 28 plus 1 29. Now we start our multiplication from 3. 3 means in ones place we have to keep 0. Why? Because 3 is in tens place. Then 3 8s are 24, 2 in tens. 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12. That complete number we have to write. Now we have to multiply with 1. 1 is in hundreds place, so we have to take 2 zeros in ones and tens. Then after that with 1. 1 8s are 8, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 fours are 4. Now add 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 0, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 and 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 6 and 1 here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Then 5. Okay. So this is our answer. And then commas. 57 lakhs 68,796. Okay, this is our answer. Now what is this? This is the product of 42,108 with 7. This is the product of 42,108 with 30. This is the product of 42,108 with 100. This is with 7, this is with 30, this is with 100. Now this is the product of 42,108 with 137. Okay. Now 81,917 we have to multiply with 815. So now you take 5-digit number. 81,917 we have to multiply with 815. Now this is in ones place, tens place, hundred place, this is thousands place, this is 10,000s place. After that lakh, 10 lakh, next crore, like this. Then we start with 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5 here and 3 here. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. 5 nines are 45, 45 means 5 in hundreds, 4 in thousands. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 in thousands place. 5 eights are 40, the complete number we have to write. Why? Because it is our last digit. Now we start with 1, 1 in tens place, we have to keep 1 0 here, and after that we have to multiply with 1. 1 sevens are 7, 1 ones are 1, 1 nines are 9, 1 ones are 1, 1 eights are 8. Now we start with 8. 8 in hundreds place, so we have to keep 2 zeros, 1 and 2. Now we start with 8. 8 sevens are 56, 6 and 5 in tens place. 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, 3 in thousands place and 1 is here. 8 nines are 72, 72 plus 1, 73, 3 and 7. Then 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7, 15, 5 here and 1 here. 8 8 is 64 plus 1, 65, 65. Now, so this is the product of 81,917 with 5. So this is the product of 81,917 with 10. This is the product of 81,917 with 800. So first one with 5, second one with 10, third one with 800. Now add all. 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 7, 15, 5 here and 1 here. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 3 and 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 3, 22. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 5, 17. 5 plus 1, 6 and 6. Now commas. 6 crore 67 lakhs 62,355. So this is the product of 81,917 with 815. 815. It is our product. Okay. Yes. Now find the product of the following numbers. In the second question it has given. So find the product of the following number. So here how many digits are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits with 4 digit number. Here how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits with 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number we have to multiply with 4 digit number. Then take 3219 with 7203. Now you multiply with this. Here we have ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, then after 10,000 will come, then lakh, 10 lakh, then after that crore will come. Okay. Now you start multiplication with 3. 3 nines are 27, 7 here and 2 here. 3 ones are 3, 4 and 5. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Then this is in tens place. In tens place first 0 we have to keep, and after that 0 nines are 0, 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0 threes are 0. Then after that we have to multiply with 2. So means it is in hundreds place, in ones place, in tens place we have to keep zeros. Now we start with 2. 2 nines are 18, 8 here and 1 here. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. Okay. Now we have to start with 7. 7 in thousands place. So in ones, tens, 100 we have to keep zeros. Now we start with 7. 7 nines are 63. 3 here and 6 here. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 3 here and 1 here. 7 twos are 14 and 15. 7 threes are 21 and 22 and 22. Now we have to add. So this is the product of 3219 with 3. This is 3219 with 0. Again this is 3219 with 200 with, this is the product of 3219 with 7000. Here 7 is there, 7000. Now we have to add 7, here 5, 6 plus 8, 14 and 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, 1 here, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 6 plus 5, 11, 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 and 2. Then 2 crore 31 lakhs 86,457. So this is our product. So what is this? 3219 when we multiply with 7203, then this product we will get. This product we will get. Okay. Now this is, first we have to write the starting 2745. First don't write like this, leave some space, 2745 and multiply with 3012. Now you multiply. First you write the place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000, then after that 10,000 will come, lakh, 10 lakh, crore will also come. Then first start with 2, 2 5s are 10, 0 ones and 1 carry over on tens place. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 2 7s are 14, 4 in hundreds and 1 in thousand, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. Now we start multiplication with 1, 1 in tens place, so in ones place we have to keep 0, then 1, 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4, 1 7s are 7, 1 2s are 2, with 1 it is over. Next with 0. When we start with 0, first we have to keep ones and tens zeros, then after that 0. 0 5s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 7s are 0, 0 2s are 0. Now we start with 3, 3 in thousands place. So in ones, tens, hundreds we have to keep zeros. Now you start with 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 in thousands place, 1 in tens place, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, like this, 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1 22, 22, 3 2s are 6, 7 and 8. Then what is the product? 0, 9 plus 5 14, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. All are zeros, no need to take that 0. Why? Because if zeros are there, then if we add with 0, then the same number will come. So that is why we are not including these zeros. Why? Because 0 if we add, the same number itself will come. 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 5 17, 7 and 1, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6 and 2 and 8. 82 lakhs 67,940. Then what is this product? This product is 2745 with 2. Next 2745 with 10. Next 2745 with 0. Next 2745 with 3000. Then last, what is our answer? 2745 with 3012. 3012. This is our product of 4-digit number with 4-digit number. Okay. Now students, what problem? So here the cost of a geometry box is given 30 rupees. What is the cost of a geometry box? So 30 rupees. Then a carton can carry 25 such boxes. How many boxes are there in one carton? In one carton 25 geometry boxes are there. So first of all we have to find one carton cost. One carton cost. Total how many boxes were there in one carton? In one carton 25 geometry boxes are there. Each box cost is 30 rupees. So then after that, after finding that one carton price, what he is asking, a manufacturing company supplies 70 such cartons in a day. How many? 70 cartons. So then what would be the total cost of 70 cartons? First we have to find one carton cost. Okay. Then after that one carton cost we have to multiply with 70 such cartons, because a company manufacturing 70 cartons in a day. So first steps we have to write. So first, one geometry box cost, one geometry box cost, how much? Rupees 30. Then in a carton how many boxes were there? 25. It means 25 geometry boxes. 25 geometry boxes, it means it is nothing but it is equal to one carton cost. One carton cost. 25 geometry boxes cost is equal to, we have to multiply 30 with 25. 30 with 25. Then multiply with 5 first. 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15. Now with 2. 2 is in tens place, we have to keep 0 in ones place. Then you start multiplication. 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6, 0, 5, 7. So then 1 geometry box carton price is equal to rupees 750. One geometry box carton price is equal to 750. Then how many boxes? 70 cartons cost we need. 70 geometry box cartons cost or price, that is your list. So we have to multiply one carton price with 70 boxes, that is 750 with 70. Now 0 zeros are 0, 0 5s are 0, 0 7s are 0. So now we multiply with 7. 7 is in tens place. So first we keep 0 in ones place. Then we start multiplication. 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35 and 3, 7 7s are 49, 49, 50, 51, 52, 50. Now we add 0, 0, 5, 2, 5. Then 52,500. Therefore 70 geometry boxes cartons cost is equal to 52,500. This is total 70 cartons geometry boxes cartons price, that is 52,500. First we have to find one carton cost. In one carton total how many pieces were there? 25 pieces. One geometry box price is given, that is 30. So one box price we have to multiply with 25, then you will get complete one carton price. After finding one carton price, so one carton price is equal to this much and total 70 geometry boxes cost we need. So one carton price with 70 boxes, then you find total amount, that is your total 75 geometry boxes carton cost. Okay.